Alright guys, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Just getting into that I'm working on today. One of the primary ones being some lead gen for the agency. Also the content that you're seeing right now from yours truly. So I hope you all had a wonderful weekend. I know I did with family. It was a really nice time. Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. And if you want to check out our recent Father's Day video with me and my dad has been an entrepreneur for 27 years and owned and operating a painting business, took care of his family, and grew through word of mouth and really just on the back of the quality of his work. And what a way to grow, right? I don't think there's a better way to grow. However, and here I am, working on the lead gen stuff, but just kind of being around family this weekend, enjoying that time together, having my cup filled with, family and being with the babies and everything. But now is the time to grind. Oh, here we go, another grind video of encouraging people to get after it and do what they said they were going to do. Exactly right. That's exactly what this is, because you know what? Black Friday's coming around earlier every year, eh? And as humans, we're looking for more and more and more ways to optimize our process. I.e., you see me wearing these Vision Pros now. Well, there hasn't been a better way at home to keep me locked in, right? And that can lead to burnout. And so what I'm not saying is grind for grind's sake, and you can see that in the video with Dad, that actually he scaled down knowing his own limits. And so what I'm not saying is don't know your limits and just push through and have a catastrophic breakdown where you hurt yourself and everyone that you love. That's not what I'm saying. But what I am saying is it's time to optimize. And there are opportunities that life, times of the year, will give you benefit to do so. And if you think about your own life right now, you think about what you're working on, in D2C space with brands are slowing down a little bit. And not to say that because of the D2C landscape and it's not COVID anymore, but things are slowing down. People slow down. They start getting into summer mode and they start looking at, what new Crocs to buy or what Birkies they're going to pick out. Or they start thinking about family trips, or it's nice outside and they slow down. That is an opportunity. One brand that we're talking to now, going to be onboarding next month, they're off for 3 weeks in July. And so I think of Elon Musk, where he would just say, the amount he worked in a year was the equivalent of 4 years or 7 years. And he was just able to scale and build faster. And so what I'm not saying is that, because we're human and he isn't. But what I am saying is that there's an opportunity right now. There is an opportunity in the market to push really hard right now. Okay? And why is that? It's because people slow down during the summer. And so you, as someone who's looking to get ahead and invest in your business and make things really work for yourself, grow your agency, grow your brand, grow your business, grow as a person. Well, what are you judging yourself off of? The market. What are you judging your body off of? What you see at the gym and online. What are you judging your relationships off of? What you know of others. So right now is the opportunity to maximize, baby. Because the time, especially leading up to Black Friday, Cyber Monday for my D2C fam, the holidays, getting your ducks in a row now pays dividends in the future. Getting into that concepting, getting into what it looks like to have a robust top of funnel or your pipeline. People are slowing down a little bit. And it's an opportunity for you to speed right back up. Okay? So, things are slowing down. Time for you to speed up. I know I am. And it comes with that's not to say that it doesn't come with sacrifice, because it does, but nothing worth doing is ever easy. Oh, Zed, that's cliche. Well, it's true. Nothing worth doing is ever easy. And if you can communicate that effectively to the people around you and say, hey, right now I need to step it up a little bit because it's going to pay dividends in the future. Communicate that, get that buy-in. Don't leave people hanging. That's one thing that I've been working on too, is kind of how I'm communicating things to everyone else. Sometimes I just assume that everyone knows what I'm doing, or can read my mind, or can just kind of give me credit where credit's due, but that's not true. That's not really how life works. And so going into a sprint mode, communicate that with the people around you. Say, hey, this is what I'm looking at doing. It's really important because of this. I've got to get it done. Get that buy-in. And that's not to say that there might not be some pushback either, because we're not monsters. We care about the people around us. But there is compromise. And then with that compromise, there's accountability too. Say, hey, I'm doing this and we're all sacrificing because of it. And I'm gonna make it work. And if I don't make it work, I'm gonna be accountable right back to you too. Have that buy-in. That's always really helpful for me too. Bringing other people along for the ride. Because that's really what you're sacrificing, the time with others, right? So, hope you're having a wonderful week. Happy belated Father's Day. Check out our Father's Day video with Douglas Perky. It is summer, baby, and now is the time to grind. All right, thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.